because I'm with Paolo Cortez.
Yes, hello. Now we're here in Waterfront Market.
Waterfront Market daw. So madilim kasi madilim ang mga ulo. Look at the head. Sorry. Bakit kinihihiyain naman tayo naiintindihan? And along with the Princess of Bowling, Miss Wella. Say hello, Wella. Yes, this is the moment. And this is the day where we can buy all the letter A's and letter B's. Pasok kami sa palengke na ano ang tao dito? Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Waterfront Market. This is how is it? It's so clean. Ang linis-linis dito. May balot din dito. Ba't bili ka? Gusto nyo ng balot ba? So meron din po kami dito. O yan, nagbebenta sila ng maliliit na buko. Ladies and gentlemen, nandito po tayo ngayon sa ano tawag doon? Waterfront Market. This is only in Dubai. This is how the market of Dubai is. It's very clean and look at this. It's air. Oh my God, it's air conditioned, right, Paolo?
Yes.
What do you want to say for the market right now?
Lots of vegetables.
Lots of vegetables and what? So yan mga kabayan, marami silang mga fruits at mga vegetables. May dates dito kasi natapos na po yung February. So tapos na rin yung date. O diba? Pasok sa banga.
Wala kaming ka-date.
Wala kaming ka-date kasi patapos na yung February. So, saan ba ang direction natin, Miss Willa? Saan ba tayo pupunta? Hello kuya, how are you? Kabayan. This is the waterfront, ladies and gentlemen. See, there is a water and there is a front in the water, whatever. This is the old Dubai. This is a creek.
Yes, see?
Oh God, so nice to come here. Ang saya-saya. Nasaan? The Paluto. So we are very close to Paluto Restaurant. We are doing this one dahil we are so excited to present to you what is the unique and exclusivity of Paluto Restaurant in Dubai. This is what you want, right? This is the one? This is the Paluto one? Oh my God, so wala ng kabayan. Look at them. Say hello with the kabayan. Oh my God. Ay, nanawagan mo ko sa nanay ko. Says, okay, pwede po. Hello so much. We are so happy because this time it's weekend in Dubai with kabayan. So, wow! Sarap! Amoy ko yung sarap. Sana nga talaga masarap, ha? Where's Aisha? Where's Aisha? I'm looking for Aisha. Hi! Uy, pinay mo. Ang sarap, guys! Hello! Here. Are we sitting here? Paano yung medyo masyadong naingay? Ha? Okay, we are looking for the owner or what do you call for the owner? The managing director of Paluto Restaurant. Mag-hi tayo sa mga group. Hi, how are you? Say hello, kuya. How are you doing today? Filipino ka? Oh my God, I thought they're not kabayan. Okay na. Ingay na. Saan tayo? Kabayan? Pakilala mo ako. We are going to meet the managing director of Paluto Restaurant and we are so lucky today. And that is the name, Paluto Restaurant. Hi, ma'am. Nice meeting you. How are you? Kumusta naman ang buhay at parang sarap-sarap dito sa Paluto Restaurant ninyo?
So far, so good. Everybody's enjoying the food.
Oh my God, I know I will enjoy the food. So guys, this is a Paluto Restaurant. So mamaya po, i-interview natin si ma'am. Short details lang po and then we will enjoy. Okay? Thank you so much. So this is it. This is egg pancit with Paolo and with ma'am. And Ate Aisha. Ate, bawal dito yung may tanggalin mo yan. Hindi siya na magluluto.
Bawal sa kanya.
So here we are. I want to sit with the maliwanag. Gusto mo kapag ingay tayo. So, hindi siguro tayo umikot-ikot. So again, ikot-ikot kami. Ha? Any message and how do you feel with the environment, Paolo?
Here is very nice, very clean, and very elegant.
Really? Elegant.
If you look the food, you will taste very nice. You will be crave.
That's why I really like it. Say something that is correct. Ang tama, kasi ang saya dito. Hindi lang masaya. Kasi ang dami-daming kabayan, tapos may mga yate sa labas. Hey! Ay, laki-laki. Anong yate yan? Ang pangalan niya? So, yan sila. Super! So, ladies and gentlemen, we are located at Paluto Restaurant near to what market?
Waterfront Market?
Waterfront Market. So,
Yes.
we are lucky and then, so, tapos ano mayroon dito, Paolo?
I think lot of boating, boat rides like that, yates.
Okay. Let's go and we will ask the permission from inside, from the executive director or managing director itself, kung saan po kami uupo at saka i-taste namin yung masarap na pagkain ng Paluto Restaurant. So that's it, and say hello. So dito na kami. Saan tayo?
Maghanap pa tayo.
Doon tayo sa medyo tahimik. Wait lang po ha. Videoan ko lang. That's it, the Paluto. It means Paluto. Paluto in Tagalog. At it's Tagalog. Ate, well, ano ka nga dito? Usap na tayo. Ay, si ma'am pa pala tanongin natin kung ano, bakit Paluto? Okay. So the first question would be why Paluto? So we'll be with ma'am. Kasi actually mahihain talaga kami din. So inaamin ko dahil sa sobrang mahihain namin is hindi tayo masyado. Yung hindi ko, sige. Yes, but then back, kasi dito, the concept, look at this, parang fiesta, God. So, kabayan na there, say hello! Oh my God! So, they're all kabayan. Sila sa mga kabayan. Yes, don't forget to subscribe, Cruzada channel.
Yes, po!
O, add na ngayon ha. Kahit isa man lang sa inyo. Tapos pasa-pasa na lang ha. No. It's YouTube. Cruzada. At saka mag-hello kayo ha. Yes. Anong difference ng Paluto Restaurant sa other restaurant? Okay, wait. Dito tayo kay ma'am. So, bye-bye. Ma'am, lucky day with ate. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, Arnold with, what is your name po ate?
Loriana lang naman.
Si Ma'am Loriana. So, ang question ko is, what makes the difference between the Paluto Restaurant compared sa ibang restaurant?
Anong different lang nito
Yes.
sa other restaurant?
Yes.
So, ito kasi is fresh yung mga pagkain. Unlike sa restaurant na siguro naluluto na tapos ninit na lang yung mga
Exactly. Ito po yung sinabi ni Sir Pat. That's why I'm convinced to come and visit the restaurant. Kasi sabi niya, fresh yung pagkain, which is tama sila kabayan. Tama, di ba? Yeah. Alright. So, tapos na silang kumain para ako nagugutom, guys. So, that is it. Do you want to say something for mga kabayan?
The best thing po kasi dito is the location there, which is just in the water.
Yes.
So, parang fresh at the same time. Yung mga relax.
It's not parang talagang fresh siya, ma'am. Di ba?
Parang galing kami na stress kami sa work. So, kumakain lang kami dito. So, yeah. Ipagkita mo yung jacket mo.
Okay, see, and what is inside the jacket?
SIS dito po.
What is that SIS? What is all about?
We're all working in a school kasi.
Alright, so you're all teachers?
Not all.
So as some are assistant teacher. Alright, so yun lang po muna. Thank you so much for your day and I want you to say hello. Alright, thank you for your time. I'll do that. It's February 28, 2019. Hello kuya, how are you? So marami talagang tao, guys. Diba, ganito talaga namin tao dito. If you look at this, even though kahit hindi sila kabayan, bibili sila kumakain. Thank you. Yan, inaiwan ko si ate, excuse me daw. So, tingnan natin yung kuban. Look at this one. This is so nice. Look at the food. Nakaiba. And that is the way. Tingnan niyo po yung serving. Oh! My God! Ang sarap! Parang kainin na ako. Yan po nag-grill sila. So that's the thing. And marami po mga kabayan. Yan po natin sa labas. Ang daming tao. Talagang lumabas na, diba? Yan, ganyan po. Umuulan at saka blessed na blessed for today. Kakain kami ng masarap na food na yan. I-videohan natin. Look at this one. Tama ba yan? Yes! Ang sarap! Yum, yum, yum! Okay. Hindi lang ha. Kunin ko lang ng picture yung mga...
Wala pa. Pa-picture tayo.
Kunan ko muna yung mga food nila, sir. So much. Doon. So, whatever. Ganyan. Ang sarap. At saka sa Ricos, the market. Yan si So, very to be clean. So, nice to be here and right to. Okay. So, welcome yung mga kabayan ng mga palod. And let's go on. Let's run. Chinese, look at them. Hello. Food. So nice. So, they are from China. Yes. So even other than enjoying the food of Paloto, and there we have Paulo nga ka Paulo. Paulo. Dahil nakaiba talaga yung lasa. Ang sarap. Iba talaga yung lasa. Parami kami ng kanin guys. Ang sarap talaga ng pagkain dito sa Paluto Restaurant. Kakaiba. Try nyo talaga to. Try nyo talaga. As in, kakaiba talaga pagkain dito. Sarap. Ang sarap talaga. Ang sarap. Sarap talaga, Paulo. Ang sarap. Sarap. Sarap.
Ayaw ka na tumigil ng pagkain.
Nakagalawa na po kami pag-puro. Ganun. Kung hindi man na ako. Meron masarap ang pagkain? Ni-invite po namin kayo talaga. Kung subukan nyo talaga kumainit sa Paluto Restaurant. Iba talaga pagkain nila. Kasi guys, yung palengke, lang lang. Tapos dito, yung paluto. O, diba? Hindi na kasi pinipress yun eh. Hindi na naka-freezer. Hindi na ano, diba? Fresh from the market, lulutuin dito. Yun yung concept niya. Kasi yung buto-buto, ano, matawag dito, parang gusto mong kainin. Try mo rin. Try mo kasi. Gantilip na yan. Yan na pang-anim na namin na rice, guys. Nagagalit na si ate. Ate, pang-anim na to, di ba? No problem daw. Unlimited rice dito, pare. Soft drinks, drinks, at saka yung rice, unlimited. Yung sabaw, limited liabilities. Pero masarap, masaya. Thank you guys. Thank you talaga. Nakakaibang concept na to. This is it, pancit, guys. Mayroon silang nilalagay na kakaiba eh. Yung hindi ko nanasahan sa ibang restaurant.
Ito na siya ngayon, guys.
Ano yan? Si Paolo parang isang linggo hindi nakakain. Wala kami papakain sa kanila.
Galamot na.
Sa mga kaibigan natin, mga Bisaya, ang sa Madira, mga Ilonggo, mga friend natin. Ito, namit-namit, dire.
Korea, ibo?
Turay pa ko. Sabi ni Sir Maya, hindi daw parang Maya, hindi po ako. Ano may paluto ba? Sige na yun tayo, may doon tayo dyan. Pila sila? Oh, look at them, they're nice. Ibang lahi.
This guy is comedian, right? I don't know.
Mga simpleng tanong na tayo.
Lapit ka doon kay hindi marinig.
Yes. Hello guys, good evening! Ang saya-saya ng Thursday. Hello guys, good evening! Ang saya-saya ng Thursday sa Dubai. Last day ng February 28, last day ng Love Month. In love na in love ako dahil ang sarap-sarap ng pagkain dito sa Paluto Restaurant. Ayaw ko kung bakit ako na in love. So, ladies and gentlemen, I want to introduce to you the the managing director of Paluto Restaurant, Miss Mai Myla! Okay, palakpakan naman natin si Ma'am Myla. Ma'am, how are you? Kumusta ka ngayon?
Right now, we're very busy. Mahabang ating pila because it's weekend. Usually, during weekends talaga medyo busy ang paluto.
Itong maganda dito, ma'am, kasi kahit ibang lahi pwede kumain. Nakaka-excite. So, hindi lang yung sinabi natin para lang sa mga Pilipino. Ma'am, may mga tanong na kami, mga konting tanong na kasi parang para ma-promote natin yung Paluto Restaurant. Ilan na po restaurant natin dito sa Dubai?
Actually, this is the first and only paluto in Dubai.
Yes!
Kasi the concept of the paluto is you go to the fish market, buy your own seafood, and it's going to cook it for you.
And that is just at the back of this?
Yes,
That's
inside the fish market itself.
Okay, so yun naman. Ano naman yung concept? Bakit pinangalanan natin siyang paluto?
Paluto,
yes.
Yeah. Filipino term is paluto. It's
Yes.
cooking service. So, the concept of the restaurant, yung nga sabi ko, people can choose their own seafoods.
Yes.
We're just going to cook it for them. So, it's either fry, stir fry, with soup base, or grill. It's up to them.
Yun ang mga maganda dito kasi international siya, hindi lang sa dahil napaluto yung pangalan niya, is Pilipino lang yung kakain. Guys, kakain na yan, ang swerte, ang daming swerte. Blessing to, hindi kami alis ni ma'am dito. Ma'am, ano po yung edge natin compared sa other mga restaurant?
Number one is the freshness of the seafood.
Exactly.
Because ito lang yung fish market inside the market. So talagang fresh na fresh ang seafoods and we cook it definitely fresh. 100% guaranteed fresh seafood.
Yes, kasi direct siya galing sa fish market.
Yeah, from the sea down to the market, then down to the paluto, you have everything that you wanted. Freshness and delicious foods.
Exactly, ma'am. Ay, may narinig kasi ako si Chef Logro. Paano yung kasi ang sarap, kakaiba talaga yung pagkain nyo kasi katapos lang namin, there's something, alam mo, hindi ko alam kung anong hinalo doon.
Actually, maybe because we love food. And when we cook, our chefs love to cook. So every time that we cook the food, we do it out of love.
Sino yung main chef natin dito, ma'am, sa Paluto?
Actually, we have right now we have 7 chefs that's doing the dishes. So, but the executive chef previously was Chef Boy Lorga, but now he's very busy in the Philippines. So, medyo madalang na siya pumunta. But the concept itself and everything was done by the team itself.
Alright, so that's it. Thank you so much. Ma'am, ano naman ang mga projection natin sa mga future business? I'm sure nag-grow naman siya. And napifeel ko po nga na may growth talaga. Thanks God sa lahat ng blessing na binigay niya po sa inyo. And I know, nakilala ko si husband ninyo, si Sir Pat, na very humble at saka helpful with those people. Alam ko, sir, sorry kung ayaw mong ipa-announce niyan. Pero I'm really proud na nakilala ko po kayo, sir. Na nakilala ko po yung asawa ninyo. And you both are very humble. That's why tuloy-tuloy po yung blessing ni Lord. And sa ulan pa lang na to, Lord. Ewan ko, sana madamay ako at nadadamay na talaga ako sa blessing. So, ano po yung projection natin sa next business?
Actually,
papatayo pa ba tayo na?
Yeah, hopefully we're actually doing it in Abu Dhabi. We're just negotiating with the rest because it's a 10-year lease. The concept will be the ground floor will be the fish market and then the mezzanine will be Paluto itself. So, kasi medyo malayo yung fish market sa city itself. So, most of our customers, they want it in the city itself para ma-accessible sa lahat ng tao.
Yes.
Hopefully, in God's grace.
Yes, any message from mga kapwa Pilipino and other nationality, please?
Welcome to Paluto. I hope you enjoy everything that we cook here. Yun lang po. Enjoy and anything that we could do for you, just let us know. We're inviting you to come by in Paluto. We're open 7 days a week from 10 to 12 in the midnight.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
This is a warm handshake and thank you for meeting the owner and the personal director and thank you so much and God bless you more, ma'am.
Alright. Thank you po.
And have a nice day. Don't forget to subscribe A Cruzada channel.